Okay, so when was your last pimple?
Still happening. It's on its last legs.
My friend has this concept that once you reach your late 20s, you start experiencing adult puberty.
Oh yeah.
Before, like when I would see like an adult with acne, I would just assume that you just weren't taking care of your skin or your face.
People who have acne are seen as like dirty or unkempt, but you could be a germaphobe neat freak and still get acne.
Yeah.
I'm learning slowly from this conversation in real time.
Yeah.
Cool. I had acne as a teen at the same time that I had braces and a unibrow, so it was like the trifecta of.
But now you're tough.
Yeah,
Character building.
It made me stronger. I think.
What do you do now when you feel a pimple coming on?
I invite my knowledgeable friends over.
Let me drop some knowledge on you. You can just use Differin gel.
And it's over the counter now.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Just wash your face, Lulu, for me. And then once a day, you're gonna rub this Differin gel all over your face, and then just a little bit of moisturizer, and you're good to go.
It's simple. And how long do I have to do that for?
Give it 12 weeks, and then even after your skin clears up, just continue to use it.
So it's like preventative and treatment at the same time.
Bingo.
Okay, 12 weeks.
Have you guys been hearing like how people think that skincare is a scam?
It's definitely not a scam. When I started actually like caring about skincare, there was a marked difference.
Right. Skincare is self-caring.
Yes.
Makeup, like there's a instant transformation, and with skincare, it's like you have to wait to see what happens.
I think that's 100%.
Yeah.
It's a delayed reward.
I'm totally loving it. It feels good to post like a nice little story on social media.
We live in an age of oversharing, basically, like especially on social media. So any sort of skin treatments like Differin that can help people embrace their natural skin is a good thing because then they can feel, really confident and proud.
Do you guys have extensive nighttime skincare rituals?
I did when I first got really, really deep into beauty, but then I realized that more does not equal better with skincare.
Yeah.
Just like finding what works for you does.
Mine is like 4 steps, and I feel like my boyfriend, like he doesn't do any of that stuff. And so I'm just like, what happened in the shower that like you feel like you can just lay down, There's a very obvious disparity between men's products and women's products.
Sure.
Yes.
But I feel like their products are like these all-in-one shampoo, conditioner.
Yeah, dudes are basically using like dish soap on their body.
All over.
Yeah, just all over. Joke's on you guys. No, that's a scam.
That's a scam. When I'm having like a good skin week, I know it's because the week before I did everything I was supposed to do. I was eating right, using my Differin, drinking water, working out. And so my body is just like, congratulations.
I feel like if I actually establish a more defined skincare routine where I wash my face every single day and I use Differin every single day, then my skin would really actually be impacted and look different. I'm very excited to start really taking care of my skin.